Ni tariki 14 mweri ni jwa ithatu mwaka ni jwa 2026 na ingukugwatwo geni kiri nteto chietu cheru Thaa Mugwanja ritwa ni MAUREEN kinya tukiambiria chio muthuji wa siasa niwe Oscar Mutugi nethiritwe agitariria kagitene gaka ni antu baka yake bara bethirite bagichiandikithia kujukia kura akiromba nande ayuthi mono bare bakuromba ite mwanya bethirwe bakiromba akariba baingi guchumiria kujukia kura nikenda twekinyira kithurano kia mwaka jwa 2027 kwethirwe tukinyete no kura milioni 1.
Ugatega numbers iria Meru County yonde iregistrate mwangatha hizi antu 845 ikuga ni average ya nthi ya antu 900 per constituency. Na rira kwari na target ya kwithirwo tugikinyithia kura milioni 1 ikuonania antu bakarega guchumiria ba register ka baciandikithia bari aringi kura, then kiroto gya gukinyithia kura milioni 1 turi kaunti ya Meru ikethirwo ikiroto aringi kura baberu bara IBC irageragia kwandikithia 218,000 218,000 na mwangatha hizi 8,000 ciandikithitwe kou kwina difference ya aringi kura 210,000 akukeza kwithirwa gukariminura gukari na ntegete kisiasa intention kana kinya baraba iritina baraba ingi bomba kwithirwa bakienda status quo remain kana aringi kura baberu batikazukie kura kenda baraba aringire 2022 kwithirwa no baba karinga 2027 mururumo jura jwareo jwa Gen Z tura expecta kwithirwa tukijuona kithurano ne giki na te tujuona ungi ikujuona nabo kwithirwa bakijukia kura na namba zira tukuona tayari gutigutuira kute antu baberu bakujukia kura. Status quo ya remain ikumaanisha atongeria barabari ofisine kana baraba chindire kithurano kia 2022 no bo bomba kwithirwa bagichinda kaire 2027. So gukeza kwithirwa kwi antu bare ome na iba kwenda ugaruruku mwangatha hizi ibethirwo bena uma kuti ugaruruku bukethirwo burio ni ontu ugaruruku butethirwo bukithithirwa ni mass action street-ine na antu batikujukia kura. Number 2, kukeza kwithirwa kwina muringi kura umwithi na kwirigira kwithirwa akiringirwa kura kana agicindana na antu bethiritwe bari utongeriene kindu kiria abati kwithirwa akithithia na inya mono thaa ici ikwithirwa akithithia sensitization kia ringi kura babethi bajukia kura ni ontu erigira bara baringire kura kithurano kia 2022 akethirwa aim for huge disappointment. Gitumi gia kwithirwa kwina apathy kana antu kwigua zeka bati kwenda kujukia kura no kwithirwa kwina kurega gwitikania muno na commission ya IBC kethereka ikethirwa igiconduct kithurano kiu na njira iria batire indi tubati kwithirwa tuki-encourage antu tati bajukie kura ibakare na kura na ibaringe kura igita ria kuringa kura ria kinya antu ibakarie kura batu tumba kuga antu bakajukia kura kana bakaringa kura ni ontu bati kuona zeka kuringa kwao zeka kwi change kumba kureta kutenjire ingi kareta change ikwithirwa kura ciaringwa na wingi ni ontu kinya gukethwa kwina wasiwasi ati kura ciomba kwithirwa citetarikora cibati kuringa na wingi kugatuma kinya sauti yao yomba kwithirwa ikigikana na wingi zaidi.
Arimi baeria kuma kaunti-ine ya Embu, Tharaka Nithi na Meru ni bethirite bakiamukira mauritani jegie urimi bobo aria nande nkuruki bethirite bakiromba thirikari cia kaunti kubandikira abitha ba urimi baba ingi maturene bobo nikenda kwithirwa urimi bobo bukitherema kinya nkuruki. Rita Mwaniki na riboti iji.
Arimi a iria a kuma kaunti cia Embu, Meru na Tharaka Nithi ni marauria thirikari cia kaunti ino kumaretera maabitha a gucera na migunda kana extension officers aria makamatethia thiini wa urimi wa ng'ombe cia iria. Ino ni kuona engi ao mari na ng'ombe cia iria no ate itirutaga iria ringi ta uria ibatie.
Arimi ba iria tukuria thirikari yetu ya kaunti patutetherie na extension officers. Tukona extension officers batonya mashinani gwitana antu kurethia na gwita ngugi baka tukongereria ringi antu jana andike wanda kithikira getu tukwenderia o milioni 1 ontuko na tutenario lakini kiria twagite muno ni uritani.
Mariti miario ino mari thiini wa kaunti ya Embu baria arimi 15,000 kuma cooperatives 30 kuma kaunti ino ithatu magwatite mathomo ma uria makwagirithia urimi wao wa iria na mathomo maria mocete miaka 3.5.
AFC na E4 Impact batothomithite mantu ja maingi muno jegie production kana ura tumba gwita iria ringi kiri ng'ombe imwe o ntuku muno mantu ne ja gwikeria ora tumba kutha tugika iria rira kwina iria riringi tugekeria ra kuja gutumira rira guteneria na kinya kumenya ng'ombe imbi batikuthekirwo maua imbi ng'ombe batikuthira gikairwa igita riria gukamwa imwanya na igita riria bandithitwe na imwanya na igita riria ng'ombe injau.
Guku umithio munene ukionekaga tayari kuri arimi aya aria mathiete na mbere kugacira thiini wa urimi wa iria na uguo kuona umithio makiria.
Impact area tuhotete kuona by this time turoka kuhiga muradi uyu he cooperatives ni cionanitie improvement also in terms of production tondu he cooperative imwe area twa visitire some 2 weeks ago twetereire still na our evaluator eke a consolidated evaluation on milk production na cooperative hiyo at the start of before the project marry at 1,400 liters na currently they are at 4,000 liters.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu Weru Thaa Mwaniki wa Musiri.
Nkiama kia NTSA amwe na agwati mbaru bangi botungata bogima ne bethirite bagitareria kagitene gaka antu baingi ne bagukua kwa mpweni onto bwa kuremwa kwa mukiro tungata bwa mpwende ira bethirwa bakigwatikana na mantu mwanya ara nkuruki bethirite bagitareria antu 5,000 kinyabo ne bethaira bakigwatikana na kinya kugura rwabu nene kumania na mitino ya barabara.
Mr. Dennis Muriti from I will ask our panelists to take. That was a very detailed discussion. The system stronger, right? Yeah.
There's a cadre that has been trained for this kind of work. We still don't have enough, but we had 5 EMTs at that time to be able to be used, plus a few nurses to be part of the pool that is going to help us with the emergencies. And it has been a very successful model. So we're here to discuss this, to see where we are as counties, to learn about what is the ideal, what problems we have, and then chart a way forward as county governments and as national government.
Tana River is a county which is very sparsely populated. We are under 500,000 inhabitants. We have 38,000 square kilometers in terms of area. We have about 20 ambulances which are operating to serve all that area. Terrain is not very good. Tana River is normally flooded. Usually, the few 3 days of rains cause floods. So you can imagine in terms of movement of our patients from point to point for referral.
We are looking at counties sharing their best practices in ways in which they have been able to upgrade or improve their pre-hospital services. So it's looking at policies around pre-hospital, it's looking at infrastructure, and infrastructure here it's ambulances and emergency care centers. So far 12 counties have county dispatch centers that are coordinating their pre-hospital services. We have over 20 counties that have developed policies around pre-hospital care. And we also have this 32 counties that have started including emergency healthcare services into their county budgets.
Gikundi kia ekuru kiguchieta njilo ni kithirite gikiamukira ikundi baba inge amona kinya gutigira kinya memba ne bakwithirwa bagitonya ndene ya gikundi giki na kinya gukungwira mono ekuru bakiromba thirikari kubaringa nje kine kenda ekuru baba inge bethira bakigunika bubone onde kinya bethirite bagikungwira ekuru bakuru ndene ya gikundi giki amwe na kinya anjiriria bagikundi ki
Americanano secretary Angelo Baraka self-help group iraye wadina ya Mekindori tigania sub county tigania east constituency Meru county bane ekoro beto bagikundi na ne ekoro bakoro barantu ko yeru are to ko bithiretie kiatho no ntu bakenda be ya tutharima wone onto twanjereretie mwaka yo eni oyo kwa group yetu ya mbere kubithirio ntubu tugeta na mbere kubithiria group inge mwaka yonge na inge mwaka yonge ubura twetete kuni onto bura tukendelea kubithia ntuko cionthe no ntubu ekuru betu bara bethirite turi amo nabo bakuru bara twetanakia nabo tutirithanakia nabo gikundine ki no ntubu kumba twa magwaitha no ntubu kwithira baitu tongoria nkuruki gutwa mawaitha yara tomba kubithia no gikundine gitu Wonto tuko yeru are to ere tuwera to yeto kongwere amo nabo to bare aciari beto to bekire nguo bato tharime na tumbe kutharimanirwe turi amo nabo iboega
oni ndo ami mbere yenu mbita wa Salome eni mbita irande ciale ndio group ewu kuona mwathani na tutethetie kwithira twine ekuru yabo bao kuona tubithiretie kiatho ntuko yeru are ne ekuru tuika kuote ya muno nonto kinyoka elia meake unde ni okwethira ntongoretie kurubati nyekwa ibethirite bare utethio bokwa na kinyabo ekuruba bange nonto ibatwe yakirira ki atutethia wita na mbere na ibaithaira bari nya yetu ibwo nonto ruare twina group mbere ye kuruba akuru kwithira twibabithiria kiatho kenda kinyabo bari kana group aingu kwa ngoretwe muno ntuko yeruare ndwami ya mbere yenu nderuwa murungu mwathani murungu abotharime wonthe orakinyerea na ekuruba eruare tukaethera twena group ira ingi enio tukwambiritie nio eruare na kuma tariki cia eruare miaka yonthe tukaethera twena group cia ekuruba ra tukwona baikurakura kenda kinyabo basika kwa baitene na nthuki mbithi kenda baika kwa bare urumwe na bautwe imbika kwa ngoretwe muno rira twena bo nonto egitare ekuruba na mathina ya maingi ekuruba akuru kwa watu imerimo ete kweleka lakini rato ethera twene ekuruba ibaethera bake weru ibaethera bagika kwa bae sawa batika kwa beno thoku kinyabore ko rato ethera twena bo ibaethera bare utethio bwetu na batu tukethera turi utethio bo konde ruo ingoretwo muno eruare kwethera twena kiathoke na murungu na batharime na bongele matuko ya mainge ya kuumba kuria nthigurune
Heta na mbere kurumira nteto chietu nchokerete nyuma ya kagita gati kuraja nkuretere nteto nkuruki.
Some things don't arrive. They've always been. Not for a day, for all of time. Until quietly something shifts. Moving from someday to now. Women are not honored in time. They are woven through it, shaping every story, every voice, every breath. We are because she is, and because tomorrow they will be.
Keke, kabeja na kamutu yake?
Kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice. Siri ni mutujo nice extra premium.
Mutindi nyenye na kamusere.
Inyaju tuenaju juambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea.
Moguri wa kinyandu kene eti ya motujwa nice extra premium. Nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium. Eja nampwe ena mushamojo mudhongi. Na nikweta gogwe na nje ku nutrients. Na shio chabatisha nice extra ngano. Itio mainya shiarara. Ne imboro na imure mutheri. Motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watuika wina kiuria yendekithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Nice na Nice Extra Premium.
Azam TV, your favorite pay TV, just got even better. Effective 1st March 2026, we have added 5 amazing new TV channels to keep you entertained day and night. AMC Movies and Nolly Africa for the best of Nollywood movies and series. Music Box Hits and Music Box Dance for non-stop music hits and dance. And Manchester United TV for football fans. More movies, more music, more sports. All in one place.
Feel the pure, unfiltered power of football on Star Times.
And he's taken
Football as it's meant to be. That's the Bundesliga experience. Renew your subscription today at only 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder. Feel the passion, artistry, and strength. La Liga brings you flair and creativity of Spanish football. The rising stars of the Saudi Pro League, the high-stakes energy of the Saudi Super Cup, and the unpredictable thrills of the Carabao Cup. Renew your subscription today at only 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the Dish Decoder. Download the Star Times app to never miss a match even when you are on the move. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Tugichokera na Nteto nkuruki miako ya thirikari ya mitandao neo Digital Innovation Hubs nionekete kwithirwa etegwita na mbere na kinya imwe kwithirwa etirikite buru. Bobo Kinya atongeria ne bethirite bagitaridia mathina mwanya mwanya jaria jethiritwe za kiumira na miako ije kwithirwa mwankira thaiji etirikite. Miako ije ethiritwe ikibatara gutethereria muno gukiria ayuthi mitandaoni.
What exactly is happening to these digital innovation hubs, right from design to construction to equipping to staffing? Where is the problem? Why do we have ghost projects in our counties and constituencies?
The one who's doing in my constituency is a contractor who doesn't have a capacity, because by the time I'll make a lot of noise for him to come to site, he's telling me he has several sites. It looks like you give one contractor several projects.
For the 47 Center of Excellence, all the sites were handed over. But out of the 47 Center of Excellence, 33 sites, the construction commenced and is currently ongoing. The remaining 15 sites, we have 9 sites pending due to land allocation. We've not been able to conclude land allocation with State Department for Interior. And 6 required fresh tendering because we were not able to get contractors for that activity during that first phase of contracting. We had challenges in processing the documentation because of the multi-agency approach of this project.
These sites do not belong to members of parliament. The young people you saw on the streets in 2024 are the people who are the end users of these sites. And you tell us that they are ongoing, and just sampling across the room, those sites have stalled. So I wanted you to tell us where the issue is.
The way we are presenting is that these projects are existing, they're going on very well, but in reality it's not the same. Let me tell you the disappointing part of this story. You have the money, and both of you are here. If you are not giving us a solution now, then it will be worse for you.
We got information that some of the contractors were not on the ground, and we were not aware as CA, because we don't do day-to-day inspection of the sites. We only come at the inspection level and then payment. So we had a meeting to see what was happening, and we agreed that KONZA fast-tracks the paperwork on all that, submit to us, and then we'll be able to pay.
Au no twakinyira muthejo Nteto chetu cheru Thaa Mugwanja ngakwendera ntuko njega rietwa ni MAUREEN KINYA.